Unveiling the World, an introduction to geographical methods. Our planet teems with life and breathtaking landscapes. From towering mountains to vast oceans, Earth is a tapestry of diverse environments and cultures. Geographers dedicate themselves to understanding this intricate tapestry. They use specialized tools and methods to investigate the Earth's physical features, human populations, and the complex relationships between them. Geographical methods provide the framework for this exploration. They encompass a range of techniques used to gather, analyze, and interpret spatial data. These methods allow geographers to answer critical questions about our world. How do natural disasters shape landscapes? What factors influence population distribution? How does climate change impact human societies? By employing these methods, geographers contribute to our understanding of the planet. They provide insights into environmental challenges, social inequalities, and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Their work informs decision-making, promotes sustainability, and inspires a deeper appreciation for the world around us. Understanding geographical methods is crucial not only for aspiring geographers, but for anyone curious about the world. By grasping these methods, we equip ourselves to ask meaningful questions, interpret spatial patterns, and engage critically with geographical information. Charting your course, designing effective fieldwork. Fieldwork forms the cornerstone of geographical inquiry. It involves directly observing and collecting data from the environment. However, successful fieldwork requires careful planning and execution. The first step is identifying a specific geographical topic. What are you curious about? Is it the impact of tourism on a coastal community? Or perhaps the distribution of different plant species in a forest? Once you have a topic, you can formulate focused research questions. These questions will guide your data collection. For example, if you are studying the impact of tourism, you might ask, how has tourism changed the local economy? What are the environmental consequences of increased tourism? Formulating clear research questions is essential for gathering relevant data. Finally, before venturing into the field, it is helpful to develop hypotheses. Hypotheses are educated guesses about the answers to your research questions. They provide a framework for your investigation and help you interpret your findings. By carefully designing your fieldwork, you ensure that your data collection is purposeful and systematic. A well-structured approach leads to more reliable results and a deeper understanding of your chosen geographical phenomenon. Gathering clues, methods for collecting primary data. Primary data, collected first-hand from the field, provides the foundation for geographical analysis. Geographers employ various methods to gather this valuable information, each suited to different research questions and environments. One common method is observation. This can range from simply observing and recording landscape features to meticulously documenting human activities and interactions. Photography and sketching are invaluable tools for capturing visual data during observations. Interviews provide another avenue for gathering primary data. By engaging with local communities, researchers gain insights into their perceptions, experiences, and knowledge of the local environment. Interviews can be structured with predetermined questions or unstructured, allowing for more open-ended discussions. Quantitative data, often numerical, can be collected through surveys. Surveys use questionnaires to gather information from a larger sample of people. This method is particularly useful for understanding broader trends and patterns. Each method offers a unique lens through which to view the geographical landscape. By combining different methods, researchers gain a more comprehensive understanding of the complex interactions between people, places, and environments. Sampling the landscape, ensuring representative data. When collecting primary data, geographers often face a practical constraint. It's impossible to study every single element of a chosen area. Imagine trying to interview every resident of a city or measure every tree in a forest. This is where sampling comes in. Sampling involves selecting a smaller, representative portion of the population or area under study. The goal is to ensure that the sample accurately reflects the characteristics of the larger group. If done correctly, the findings from the sample can be generalized to the entire population. There are various sampling techniques, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Random sampling ensures every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected, minimizing bias. Systematic sampling involves selecting individuals or locations at regular intervals, such as every 10th house on a street. Stratified sampling divides the population into subgroups based on specific characteristics, such as age or income level, and then samples proportionally from each group. The choice of sampling technique depends on the research question, the characteristics of the study area, and the available resources. Accurate sampling is crucial for ensuring the reliability and validity of geographical research. By carefully selecting representative samples, geographers can confidently draw conclusions about the larger population or area of interest. Asking the right questions, designing effective surveys. Surveys are powerful tools for gathering structured data from a larger sample of people. However, the effectiveness of a survey hinges on the quality of the questions it asks. Poorly designed questions can lead to inaccurate or misleading results. When designing survey questions, clarity is paramount. Questions should be easy to understand, using simple language and avoiding jargon. Each question should focus on a single concept, avoiding double-barreled questions that address multiple issues at once. The type of questions used also influences the data collected. Closed-ended questions provide respondents with predefined answer choices, such as multiple choice or rating scales. These questions are easy to analyze, but may limit the range of responses. Open-ended questions, on the other hand, allow respondents to provide more detailed and nuanced answers in their own words. While richer in information, open-ended questions require more time to analyze and can be challenging to quantify. A well-designed survey strikes a balance between closed-ended and open-ended questions, gathering both quantifiable data and insightful qualitative information. By carefully crafting questions, researchers can ensure that their surveys effectively capture the perspectives and experiences of their target population.